Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In 2026, who won the Formula One Australian Grand Prix? Right answer is option C, George Russell. Which Indian state government launched the Chief Minister's Krishi Vistara scheme in the budget 2026-27? Right answer is option A, Karnataka. In 2026, the extension of the Jal Jeevan Mission was approved till which year to ensure rural drinking water access? Correct answer is option B, 2028. Which organization launched the Spurti program aimed at empowering women entrepreneurs in India? Right answer is option C, L&T Finance Limited. Which ministry launched the second phase of the Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect program? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Which fuel standards were recently notified under the National Green Hydrogen Mission? Right answer is option D, green ammonia and green methanol. Which mountain pass remained open in winter 2025-26 for the first time, ensuring Ladakh connectivity? Correct answer is option C, Zojila Pass. Lance Havildar KG George, who passed away, was associated with which war? Right answer is option C, Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. Which institution launched the $500 million syndicated social term loan focused on women empowerment? Right answer is option D, State Bank of India. Who was elected the supreme leader of Iran in 2026? Right answer is option D, Mujtaba Khamenei. Which bank issued India's first green infrastructure bonds worth rupees 10,000 crore? Correct answer is option C, Bank of Baroda. Which Indian economist became the first in the University of Chicago's 85-year history to receive the Alumni Award for Professional Achievement? Right answer is option C, K.V. Subramanian. Who has been reappointed as the Drugs Controller General of India? Right answer is option B, Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi. Who won the men's singles title at the All England Open Badminton Championships 2026? Right answer is option C, Lin Chun Yi. R.M. Nachammai recently made history by becoming the first woman chief superintendent of a functional nuclear power plant under which organization? Right answer is option B, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Which organization started the biennial Arctic military exercise Cold Response? Right answer is option A, NATO. Nagauri Pan Methi recently received patent protection from which authority? Right answer is option C, Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority. Which state launched the Project Ganga for high speed internet in rural areas? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Herman Kalk was awarded the Padma Shri in which year? Right answer is option B, 2010. Which operation against drugs was launched in Mizoram? Right answer is option C, Operation Jericho. What cash reward did the BCCI announce for Team India after winning the T20 World Cup 2026? Right answer is option B, rupees 131 crore. Who became the first Indian house ambassador for luxury brand Chanel? Right answer is option C, Bhavita Mandava. The year 2026 marks how many years of sporting ties between India and New Zealand? Right answer is option A, 100 years. Who received the Meta Lifetime Achievement Award 2026? Right answer is option A, Amol Palekar. Who retained the number one position in ICC Women's ODI batting rankings? Right answer is option C, Smriti Mandana. Which country became the first nation in the Americas to be declared leprosy free by the World Health Organization? Right answer is option B, Chile. Which Indian state proposed banning social media usage for children below the age of 16 years? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Under the Mukhyamantri Mavan Dhyan Satkar Yojana, how much monthly financial assistance will women receive? Right answer is option C, rupees 1000. Exercise Lamitier 2026 was conducted as a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Seychelles. Who became the first Indian to receive the Esmond B. Martin Award 2026? Right answer is option A, Kriti K. Karanth. Which ministry launched the Say No to Proxy Sarpanch campaign in India? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. H.K. Dua, who passed away recently at the age of 88, was primarily associated with which profession? Right answer is option B, journalism. Which state government launched the Stand With Her campaign to establish the state as the safest place for women? Right answer is option A, Telangana. Who inaugurated the Tribes Art Fest 2026 held in New Delhi? Right answer is option C, Jual Oram. Which state government launched the Me Health mobile application to improve healthcare access for citizens? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. According to the SIPRI report, what was India's rank in global arms imports during the period 2021-25? Right answer is option D, second position. Which state launched the State Innovation Mission under the Atal Innovation Mission 2.0 framework? Correct answer is option B, Tripura. Om Birla reconstituted the Committee of Privileges in the Lok Sabha. Who was appointed as the chairman of this committee? Correct answer is option B, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Who launched the digital tools and mascots Pragati and Vikas for Census 2027? Right answer is option D, Amit Shah. Which country approved stem cell treatment for Parkinson's disease for the first time in the world? Right answer is option C, Japan. High school students from which state launched the mini satellite Vico Set 1 using a helium balloon? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi during the recent gubernatorial reshuffle? Right answer is option B, Taranjit Singh Sandhu. CISF Raising Day 2026 was celebrated on which date? Right answer is option C, 10th March. Utsav Charan Das, who passed away at the age of 80, was renowned for which traditional art form? Right answer is option B, Ghoda Nach. India recently sent 1,000 metric tons of rice as humanitarian assistance to which country? Right answer is option B, Malawi. Who will inaugurate the National Stakeholders Meet on the Coconut Promotion Scheme at IIT Madras? Right answer is option B, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Naval Armament at Naval Headquarters, New Delhi in March 2026? Correct answer is option D, BP Singh. Which state government launched the Her Start 5.0 initiative to support women entrepreneurs? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Who became the first person in Assam to receive Indian citizenship under the Citizenship Amendment Act? Right answer is option A, Dipali Das. Who was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the GSMA at the Mobile World Congress 2026? Correct answer is option C, Sunil Bharti Mittal. Which city was ranked as the safest city in India according to the Numbeo Safety Index 2026? Right answer is option C, Mangaluru, Karnataka. Which state has imposed a complete ban on gutka, pan masala, and all tobacco and nicotine based products? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for the year 2025? Right answer is option B, Grace Marshall. Which country became India's second largest supplier of liquefied natural gas? Right answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. Which river has emerged as the second most significant riverine habitat for gharials in India? Right answer is option D, Gandak River. Which state officially declared Bacillus subtilis as its state microorganism? Right answer is option C, Kerala. Who was appointed as the first woman chief secretary of the state of West Bengal? Right answer is option B, Nandini Chakraborty. How many Padma Awards were approved by the President of India for the year 2026? Correct answer is option C, 131. Who was conferred with India's highest peacetime gallantry award, the Ashoka Chakra? Right answer is option C, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. Which state's governor's residence was officially renamed from Raj Bhavan to Jan Bhavan? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. India emerged as the world's second largest 5G user base after which country? Right answer is option D, China. Which Republic Day of India was celebrated on 26th January 2026? Right answer is option C, 77th Republic Day. Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary Eco-Sensitive Zone is located in which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. The Fink River, recognized as the world's oldest surviving river system, is located in which country? Right answer is option B, Australia. Who was elected as the new president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Right answer is option B, Sheikh Joan bin Hamad Al Thani. What is India's rank in the Asia Manufacturing Index 2026 among 11 major Asian economies? Right answer is option C, 6th rank. Who was conferred with the highest honor of the Indian Railways? Right answer is option B, Chandana Sinha. Monpui Sayavi was appointed as India's High Commissioner to which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indo Tibetan Border Police? Right answer is option A, Shatrujit Singh Kapoor. India has recently surpassed which country to become the world's largest producer of rice? Right answer is option A, China. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board in January 2026? Right answer is option B, A.K. Balasubramanian. Who has been assigned the additional charge of Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Right answer is option B, Rakesh Agarwal. Anu Garg was appointed as the first woman chief secretary of which Indian state in December 2025? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the Food Corporation of India? Right answer is option A, Rabindra Kumar Agarwal. Who will succeed Warren Buffett as the chief executive officer of Berkshire Hathaway? Right answer is option D, Greg Abel. According to the Henley Passport Index 2026, what is India's global passport ranking? Right answer is option A, 75th rank. Which Indian state government approved the Akkapade scheme aimed at enhancing the safety of women and minors? Right answer is option D, Karnataka. Who was appointed as Afghanistan's first diplomat to India by the Taliban regime in January 2026? Right answer is option C, Noor Ahmad Noor. Which team clinched the Vijay Hazare Trophy title for the 2025-26 season? Right answer is option D, Vidarbha. In which Indian city was the Raisina Science Diplomacy Initiative 2026 officially launched? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Justice Revanthi Mohite Dere took oath as the first woman Chief Justice of which High Court in January 2026? Right answer is option A, Meghalaya High Court. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the Param Shakti supercomputing facility at which institute? Right answer is option C, IIT Madras. Which Indian state topped the overall medal tally at the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Right answer is option D, Karnataka. The Indian Army organized the Sanjha Shakti exercise to enhance civil military coordination at which location? Right answer is option C, Pune, Maharashtra. Which new mascot was launched by UIDAI to simplify public awareness and information related to Aadhaar services? Right answer is option A, Uday. Where did Chief Justice Suryakant virtually inaugurate India's first fully paperless district court? Correct answer is option C, Wayanad, Kerala. Pongal festival is traditionally celebrated in which Indian state during January 2026? Right answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. The Public Investment Board approved 26,070 crore rupees for the Kamla hydroelectric project located in which state? Right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. National Youth Day is observed annually in India on which date, including in 2026? Right answer is option B, 12th January. Which country announced its withdrawal from 66 international organizations, including the International Solar Alliance, in January 2026? Right answer is option C, United States of America. What is India's position in the Global Climate Risk Index 2025? Right answer is option B, ninth rank. Which state ranked first among major states in the creation of Aadhaar IDs for students? Right answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Which integrated portal for women and child development projects was launched by Union Minister Annapurna Devi? Right answer is option C, Pankhuri. Gajak and Revdi sweets from which district of Uttar Pradesh received the GI tag in January 2026? Right answer is option C, Meerut. Which Indian Army officer received the United Nations Secretary General Award 2025 announced in January 2026? Right answer is option C, Swati Shantakumar. Who was appointed as the new president and vice chairman of Meta in January 2026? Right answer is option D, Dina Powell McCormick. Anantapur pomegranate received the geographical indication tag from which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which city hosted the 69th National School Games held in January 2026? Right answer is option D, Ludhiana. According to NSO's first advance estimates, what is India's real GDP growth rate projected for financial year 2025-26? Right answer is option C, 7.4%. Which country has been named the guest of honor at the New Delhi World Book Fair 2026? Right answer is option D, Qatar. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.